Hello YouTube, sorry I didn't make a video in a while. Anyways, this is going to be a video of my 2013 Honda HRR, HHR 216 rear-wheel drive self-propelled lawnmower. I got it from a commercial contractor, gardener, and yeah. So because I used it commercially for the first 2 years, front tires wheels have most of the tread, while the rear wheels do not have a lot of tread on them. And it has some surface rust starting, and along the bottom it's got a rim of rust starting on it. But it's a clean lawnmower. No bag. I used it commercially, mulched most of the time. Destroyed it. Got some rust building up in there. It's the quadricut system, so that means that there are two blades, sorry, that have 4 cutting edges on it. Let's see if we can see that. Yeah, interesting. Cuts really nice, and it's a really strong engine actually. It's got 4-wheel height adjustment, and the engine, it runs great, and it's got a fuel shut-off valve on it. Automatic choke, no priming necessary, always starts first pull. Surprisingly, because like the Honda engines that they sell out to like Craftsman's and Husqvarna lawnmowers that they put the Honda engines on, I think they're made to cheaper quality standards, and they always start like second pull and stuff. But this one, even after all the use it's had, starts first pull every time. Like right now, the engine's cold. And the air filter's not in best condition. Oil's changed, which is nice. But, I'll give it a start. Just pull down. And you could adjust this handle up and down by pushing it in and turning it to your preference. It's a really nice mower. I think they cost around $550 new in Canada here. It's 2013, and it runs and cuts. I'm gonna put it for sale for like $275. But it's a pretty nice mower, and probably one of the nicest ones I've owned. So just wanted to take a video of it. If you want to make any more YouTube videos, comment below.